welcome back, YouTube fans. So today is a very small project, but it's okay. We like small projects. So we just gotta haul this away. It's not a very big pile, but it's a little bit of a nuisance for the homeowner. So we are gonna get this cleared up. Yep, see, it's not a very big pile, but you know, that trailer will haul it away, no problem. So we're gonna scoop this up, get it up and out of here, haul it away, drop it off. We got a little pile right here we gotta get to. Yeah, see, there's a little pile right there that we're gonna scoop up as well. So we'll scoop that up, get that pile cleaned up, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. Well, all right, let's get started. right, we are all set. So we got her all cleaned up now. Looking good. Right down to the dirt too, so that's good. So all of that brush is now gone. I even went back here in the woods just a little bit more. Got a couple pieces back up in there and then up in there too. So we got her cleaned up pretty good. Looking pretty good. I believe the customer will be very happy. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.